Welcome to Starry Hope. Today, we're taking a look at the Mullvad browser and walking you through the installation process on a Chromebook. The Mullvad browser, a collaboration between Mullvad VPN and the Tor project, offers a privacy-centric browsing experience without relying on the Tor network. Its goal is to safeguard users from excessive data collection and foster an internet free from mass surveillance. But let's pause for a moment. Why does privacy matter so much? Why should you, a seemingly average user, care about it, especially if you believe you have nothing to hide? The answer is straightforward. The goal is not just to protect those with something to hide, but to protect everyone. The mission is to free the internet from mass surveillance, censorship, and the commoditization of personal data. The Mullvad browser aims to help you in rendering mass surveillance impractical. Relying solely on a VPN doesn't guarantee ultimate privacy. The majority of browsers extract a plethora of data. Recognizing this gap, Mullvad approached the maestros of privacy-focused browsers, the Tor project. Their partnership aims to build a browser that complements the security of VPNs. Big tech giants, governmental bodies, and data brokers utilize clues like your IP address, cookies, scripts, and browser fingerprints to track you online. Your very own browser could be your Achilles heel when it comes to privacy. Many are tailored to monitor your online habits, while others lack robust privacy defenses. And even if your browser doesn't track you, it can still leak information about your software and device, leading to what's known as browser fingerprinting. The Mullvad browser is built to make every user seem identical online. The browser's modifications and settings are fine-tuned to ensure that all its users appear the same, essentially rendering tracking methods ineffective. Now, let's get to the practical part. Installing the Mullvad browser on your Chromebook. It's straightforward. All you have to do is execute the shell script. You can run this script and the installation process will commence. But wait a minute. Before running any script, especially one that involves system-level changes, it's paramount to understand what the script is set to do. This ensures that we're not inadvertently introducing vulnerabilities or undesired changes. So, let's take a moment to examine the core functions of the provided script. First, I recommend opening the URL bit.ly/Chromebook-Mullvad in your browser. This will allow you to view the script's content before executing it. Let's review the main components together. The script starts with two functions, highlight MSG and highlight MSG green. These are mainly to display highlighted messages in yellow and green, respectively. It's a way to make the script's output more user-friendly. Next, the script installs necessary dependencies for the browser. These are critical components that ensure the smooth running of the Mullvad browser. A working directory is established at by/tmp Mullvad browser. All subsequent actions, like downloading, occur within this directory. The script then proceeds to import the Tor browser developer's signing key. This is crucial to validate the integrity of the downloaded Mullvad browser files. The browser's main file and its associated signature are downloaded. Verification of the downloaded file's integrity is the next step. If the file verification is successful, the script will extract the browser to the ~.local/share directory. Lastly, a desktop entry is created, making it easier for you to launch the Mullvad browser from your applications menu. Once all the tasks are done, the script cleans up, deleting the temporary working directory. Now that you're familiar with what the script does, you can confidently proceed with the execution. Remember, knowledge is the first step towards security. First, enable the Linux development environment. If you haven't done this yet, find the latest up-to-date instructions at the link in the description and follow them. Have Linux enabled? Great. If it's not already open, open your terminal from the app launcher. wget-https://bit.ly/Chromebook-Mullvad. Pipe bash. Once completed, you'll find the Mullvad browser in your applications list. ready for you to explore a more private browsing experience. To all our viewers, remember, the fight for privacy is a collective endeavor. By opting for tools like the Mullvad browser, not only are you ensuring your personal security, but you're also taking a stand for a freer, safer internet. Thank you for tuning in to the Starry Hope channel. Until next time, browse safely.